Cindy, we just got off the boat. It was a beautiful ride over from Rockland. And now we're actually here on land, and it's a small town, so we're gonna walk around, try to find something to eat, and hopefully find some lobster rolls.
Yeah, they said to go to the end of the road, go to the right, and we go into town. So here it goes. Totally different world up here. A lot of people have just summer homes, and they live down in the States, and others live here year-round. But the average population is about 1,200 year-round, and in tourist season it doubles. Where's Amy going? Vinyl Haven Candy Company. Can't keep her away from that. Let's see what they got.
All right, well, I'll see you around, Eric. Yep. How's it going today, guys?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
It's the Old World Candy Company. I love it. Wow. Is this not different? I love it. Little nostalgia.
So somebody recommended going to the restaurant called Sandbar, and we are in Vinyl Haven, Maine. And today, here we ordered, not lobster quesadillas, but
Crab quesadilla.
Quesadillas. And we ordered, what else?
A 7-piece fried cod.
Cod. And clam chowder.
Yes, a nice crock of clam chowder.
So I'm excited.
All right, food has just arrived. We've got clam chowder here that is piping hot. Look at the cod bites. Is that not and nice fresh tartar? And we have a crab quesadilla. Oh yeah, with pesto, salsa, and sour cream. Good, huh? Is it hot? Oh, I like that. Well, we're gonna chow down. Do you like the tartar sauce?
Very hot.
All right, guys, this is the highlight of the meal. This is a crab quesadilla, and I'm gonna let my wife cheated already. That's why it's bigger than that.
See, the crab in there is like lump chunks.
And this is all locally caught rock crab, they said.
Oh my gosh.
Now, what do you have for
So
dipping?
right here, I asked for some pesto, give it a little Italian, little pico de gallo, salsa, and then sour cream. So it's all good.
Well, honey,
I'm gonna try it.
tell me what you think.
I love these.
Do you?
The meat is so fresh in there. These are so awesome.
Just remember, this is the Sandbar restaurant
On
in
Vinyl Haven, Maine.
Vinyl Haven Island. Population 1,200. And there's only one main street, as you guys all just seen. But this is awesome, and I'm going to chow down here in a minute. Hey guys, this is the fried cod bowl. Look how delicious. This is red hot. I already had a piece. I like tartar sauce. This is steaming hot. Delicious and fresh from these waters. Cod is caught here. Now let me show you this. They got a great clam chowder. Nice big pieces of clam. Delicious. Crab quesadilla. Amy says it's chunks of lumps of, oh wow. Look at this. Crab.
Don't you want one of our sauces here? Which one? I'm always gonna take salsa.
Different.
Excellent.
This is locally caught rock crab. This is fresh as you get. From the sea to this shining shore right here. Well guys, thanks for joining us. This was excellent. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you ever come here to Rhino Haven Island off of Rockport, check out the Sandbar Restaurant. It's locally owned, down-home people, but the food, the clam chowder, everything is fresh and everything is local. That's what you want. From our table to yours.